Hello guys, in this video I will address how to do obstacle avoidance on the agriculture spray drone. So in the last two videos we already done extending and shorten. We found out that the way of extending and shorten is actually very easy and almost the same. We just need to make it push it forward or push it back, and then until we release the stick and the track length will be updated. So now we're introducing the obstacle avoidance. Obstacle avoidance is slightly complex than the extending and the shorten. The idea is we want the drone to fly imagine that on a certain track there's an obstacle, there's a house or a tree or something, and we want to fly the drone. We want to swing it out from the track, swing to the left or right, and we fly forward. It's just like we pass through the obstacle, and when we release it, we want the drone to return to the track and keep going the operation. So this video will teach you how to do it. So you remember when you're doing the manual operation, you can swing the drone left or right, make it fly left or right. It's the same. If you're operating left or right, we'll pause the AB point operation. You can see on the right side of the screen. The drone is now fly out of the track, and if you push forward, the drone will keep fly forward. When you release it, the drone will back to the track, will return to the track and keep going the operation. And you can do it again when the drone is back into the track. You can do it again to do the obstacle avoidance. Swing right and fly forward. Use the left stick to fly forward and release it. The drone will back into the track and keep going the operation. Because using a radar or something to do obstacle avoidance can't be very precise, we will recommend you to notice the obstacle and doing the manual avoidance.